Right, listen up, lads. Tonight we're diving deep into the abyss, exploring the darkest corners of a woman's mind. We're talking about regret, that gut-wrenching feeling that twists your insides when you realize you've made a massive mistake. It's a powerful emotion, one that can haunt you for years, if not a lifetime. Imagine the weight of that regret, the constant replaying of moments in your mind, wondering what could have been. It's a relentless torment, a shadow that follows you everywhere. And trust me, when a woman regrets losing you, she'll let you know, even if it's the last thing she wants to do. She might not say it outright, but her actions, her expressions, they all tell a story. Ever get that feeling you're being watched? Like someone's eyes are burning into the back of your head? It's an unsettling sensation, one that can make you question your own sanity. That's her, lurking in the shadows, replaying every messed up moment, every wasted opportunity. She's haunted by the what-ifs and if-onlys, trapped in a cycle of self-recrimination. It's enough to send shivers down your spine, but there's a dark humor to it. The irony of realizing too late what you had, and the bitter laugh that comes with it. Like watching a horror film unfold, knowing you're the unwitting protagonist. Every twist and turn, every jump scare, it's all part of the narrative you never wanted to be a part of. Buckle up, gents, because we're about to dissect the signs she regrets letting you slip away. This isn't just about reading between the lines. It's about understanding the deeper, often hidden emotions at play. These aren't your average relationship post-mortem ramblings. We're delving into the psyche, the raw, unfiltered thoughts that she might never voice out loud. This is the real deal, the stuff they don't teach you in school. It's about recognizing the subtle cues, the fleeting glances, the hesitant words that reveal so much more than they seem. This is the man of thoughts, guiding you through the twisted labyrinth of a woman's regret. Together, we'll navigate this complex emotional terrain, uncovering the truths hidden beneath the surface. So stay sharp, stay focused, and let's get started. She's everywhere, isn't she? A ghost haunting the edges of your life. You see her lurking in the background of your favorite pub, her face half hidden in the shadows. Your phone buzzes with a notification, and for a split second you swear it's her name flashing across the screen. Then there's the internet, her new hunting ground. Your Instagram stories have a new silent observer. Likes on old photos pop up like phantom notifications. It's enough to make a bloke wonder if he's losing his mind, but you're not. She is. She.
Remember that old jumper you left at mine? The one I swore I'd burn? Yeah, I'm wearing it.
You catch a glimpse of it in a blurry selfie on her friend's Facebook page. The evidence is everywhere, a constant reminder of what she threw away. Suddenly she's Miss Congeniality, life of the party. Always surrounded by friends, laughing a little too loudly, smiling a little too widely. But you see right through it, don't you? The way her eyes dart around the room, searching for your reaction. She's trying to convince everyone, including herself, that she's moved on. Every joke, every story seems carefully crafted to elicit a reaction from you. It's a performance, mate, and a desperate one at that.
Oh, you should hear about this amazing date I had. He's everything you're not. Richer, funnier, better looking.
But you hear the tremor in her voice, see the flicker of doubt in her eyes. Deep down, she knows she's trying to convince herself more than anyone else. Section 4, the shadow of your touch, her desperate attempts to reconnect.
Out of the blue, it hits you. A text message. Hey stranger, it reads, casual, nonchalant. Just thinking about you. How are things? It's a simple message, but it carries the weight of 1,000 unspoken words. You stare at your phone, heart racing, mind swirling with memories. Should you respond? What does she really want?
She'll make up some flimsy excuse, like needing your opinion on a new film or wanting to know if you still have that book she lent you. These aren't genuine attempts at rekindling the flame. No, they're breadcrumbs. Desperate attempts to keep you hooked, to gauge your interest. She might even ask about a mutual friend's birthday or an event you both attended years ago, anything to spark a conversation.
She needs to know you still think about her, that you haven't completely erased her from your life. And God forbid you mention another woman. The insecurity is palpable, a silent plea for validation. She might even stalk your social media, looking for clues, trying to piece together your current life without her.
The air crackles with tension, her voice tight with barely concealed jealousy. Suddenly she's asking about your love life, probing for weakness, hoping you'll tell her you're still pining for her. She wants to know if there's someone new, someone who has taken her place. Her questions are loaded, each one a trap designed to elicit a specific response. She wants to hear that you miss her, that no one else compares. It's a game, a twisted dance of emotions where the stakes are your heart and her ego. Section 5. The cold case of you stalking your every move. Imagine living your life under a microscope. Every step you take, every move you make, being watched by someone with an insatiable curiosity. This is the reality for some, where the line between interest and obsession blurs.
Remember that old adage, curiosity killed the cat? It's a saying that warns us about the dangers of being too inquisitive. But what happens when curiosity turns into an obsession? When someone becomes so fixated on another person's life that they can't help but dig deeper and deeper? Well, she's the cat, and your life is the mystery she's determined to solve. She becomes a detective in her own right, piecing together the puzzle of your existence with a relentless drive. Every detail, no matter how small, becomes a clue in her investigation.
Social media becomes her personal detective agency. In the digital age, it's easier than ever to track someone's life through their online presence. She dives into your profiles, scrolling through your posts, analyzing your photos, and reading between the lines of your comments. She scrutinizes every post, every comment, every like. Each interaction is dissected, each connection mapped out. She builds a comprehensive picture of your life, one post at a time. It's like a digital jigsaw puzzle, and she's determined to see the whole image.
You bump into mutual friends and they're suddenly full of questions about you. It's not just casual curiosity, there's an intensity to their inquiries. They want to know everything, from your latest adventures to your future plans. How are you? They ask, a little too eagerly. Their eyes light up with interest, and you can sense that there's more behind their questions than simple concern. It's as if they're gathering information on behalf of someone else. Still living in the same place? Dating anyone interesting? The questions keep coming, each one probing deeper into your personal life. You start to wonder if there's a hidden agenda behind their curiosity.
She's using them, see? Gathering intel like a spy on a mission. Your friends become unwitting informants, feeding her the details she craves. It's a covert operation, and she's the mastermind behind it all. You catch her staring at you across the street, a flicker of recognition in her eyes before she quickly turns away. It's a fleeting moment, but it sends a shiver down your spine. You realize that her interest in you is more than just casual.
It's like she can't help herself, drawn to you like a moth to a flame. There's a magnetic pull that keeps her coming back, a fascination that she can't shake. She becomes consumed by the need to know more about you. Or maybe it's more like a fly to... well, you get the picture. Her obsession grows and you become the center of her universe. Every move you make is watched, every word you say is analyzed. It's a chilling thought, knowing that someone is so fixated on you.